Hi, I wanted to make a quick little video on repairing a chip in the corner. What I've got here is JB Weld's Quick Weld. This is a fast setting epoxy, and we're gonna use this to fill in the crack. Okay, we're gonna take 2 equal parts, squeeze them out here. You don't need a lot. Okay, and then thoroughly mix it until it's one solid color. This is kind of a dark charcoal, I guess, and this is the consistency. So I'm going to apply it right there. Just fill in that little hole. Really get it in there. And shape it. There. I'm really kind of squeezing it in. Okay, that's it for now. We're gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna come back and just slightly sand it, give it a good shape, and then do a little touch-up paint. Okay, it's been half an hour, and it's set. So now what I'm going to do, just using sandpaper and a block behind it, sand it into shape. You can also, if you know, you can also use a chisel to get most of it off, but this is such a small little area. You can just, and the sandpaper I got right here is 120 grit. If you feel like you need to add more, you can just mix a new batch and just keep adding on top until you get the correct shape. All right, so I'm going to call this good enough. The next step is to mix paint. So I use golden fluid acrylics, and honestly, you only need, you know, the black and white for the color of the concrete. So let me try and mix it. It's a drop. So I'm going to try and match this concrete here to kind of blend everything together. So when I mix, you know, I'll just mix it right next to the actual concrete. And it's a little too dark, so I'll add a little white. Let's see, just toss some and just dabble it on. Okay, and that's it. Let it dry. And I would just put a little wax on top and call it done.